Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. Today we are going to can butter. Joe needs some more butter for up north at the tent. He's up hunting right now and he's out of butter, so I'm going to can him some butter real quick and so he can take it up. First you're going to need your half-pint jelly jars. You're going to need lots of butter, and you're going to need a pot for your lids, and also a pot for melting your butter. Alrighty, I heated my oven to 250 degrees and I am going to put my jars in. Alright, we're going to get our butter melted. I'm going to do 4 pounds. See how many jars that does. I'm going to get these 2 started at first though. I'm going to slowly melt that butter. My butter is all melted, so now I'm going to heat it up and get it nice and hot but not boiling, and then we're going to start putting it in our jars. Okay, it was too much of a pain to try and reach in every time I needed a jar, so I just took them all out. Joe's going to be happy to have some butter again. And I just fill it to the bottom of the rim of the little funnel thingy. So now I want to take some vinegar on a paper towel and wipe the rims of my jars to get off any oils. You want those lids to stick good. Then I'm going to take a paper towel as I take these out and just blot the water off of the underneath. Take your screw caps and just finger tight. Alrighty, once you have your bands on, then you want to take them all and give them a nice shake. And you want to do this about every 10 minutes. Okay, we'll be back. Oop, jars are starting to ping. So you want to do this again every about 10 minutes or so until it starts to solidify. Looks like all my jars have pinged. They're looking good. Alright y'all, it's really snowy outside, so I'm going to take all of these and put them outside. I'm going to leave them in this box. And hopefully they'll solidify pretty quickly out there. Well, I took it outside and I only had to shake it twice and it was done. It looks good. I hope Joe enjoys this. I will too. I'll be there too, so. Well guys, if you try this, let me know how it works for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching.